Unlocking the Secrets of Productivity, a comprehensive review. The productivity paradox. Are you working hard or working smart? Did you know that the average office worker is only productive for 2 hours and 23 minutes per day? That's right, you heard me correctly. Despite being at work for 8 hours or more, most of us are actually productive for less than 3 hours. Shocking, isn't it? I remember when I first started my entrepreneurial journey, I was working 12-hour days, juggling multiple projects, and constantly feeling overwhelmed. Despite my best efforts, I felt like I was spinning my wheels and not making any real progress. Sound familiar? But what if I told you there's a way to double, even triple your productivity without working longer hours? What if you could accomplish more in 4 hours than most people do in a full day? Stick around because I'm about to unveil the game-changing secret that transformed my work life and can do the same for you. The productivity puzzle. Unveiling the path to peak performance. In today's digital age, we're bombarded with productivity tools promising to revolutionize our workflow. From task managers to time trackers, note-taking apps to collaboration platforms, the options seem endless. It's easy to feel lost in this sea of choices, wondering which tools are worth your time and which are just digital clutter. Whether you're an entrepreneur burning the midnight oil, a freelancer juggling multiple clients, or simply someone passionate about maximizing their potential, this guide is for you. We'll cut through the noise and focus on what really works, saving you countless hours of trial and error. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the top 5 game-changing productivity tools that stood out from the crowd. These aren't just any tools, they're the ones that dramatically improved my workflow, reduced my stress, and allowed me to achieve more than I ever thought possible. But more than that, I'll show you how to integrate these tools into a cohesive system that will supercharge your productivity. Mastering the Productivity Toolkit. Top 5 Game Changers. Let's kick things off with the backbone of any productive workflow, task management. After trying dozens of options, one tool stood head and shoulders above the rest: Todoist. Todoist isn't just another to-do list. It's a powerful yet intuitive task manager that adapts to your workflow. Here's why it's a game changer. Natural language processing. Simply type, "Submit report every Monday at 9 a.m." and Todoist automatically sets it up as a recurring task. Priority levels. Assign importance to tasks with a simple flag system, helping you focus on what truly matters. Projects and sections. Organize your tasks into projects and subsections, mirroring the structure of your work and life. Collaboration features. Share projects, assign tasks, and communicate with team members, all within the app. But the real magic of Todoist lies in its simplicity. It's powerful enough for complex project management, yet simple enough for your personal grocery list. This versatility makes it a central hub for all your tasks, both big and small. RescueTime. Now that we've got our tasks organized, let's talk about managing our most precious resource: time. Enter RescueTime, the silent productivity powerhouse that works in the background to give you unprecedented insights into how you spend your day. RescueTime automatically tracks time spent on applications and websites, categorizing them based on productivity levels. But here's where it gets really powerful: detailed reports. Get a breakdown of how you spend your time, helping you identify productivity leaks. Focus sessions. Block distracting websites for a set period, allowing for deep, uninterrupted work. Goals and alerts. Set productivity goals and receive notifications when you're spending too much time on distracting activities. Integration with Todoist. RescueTime can automatically log the time you spend on specific Todoist projects, giving you a complete picture of your productivity. By using RescueTime, you'll gain a clear understanding of where your time goes, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to optimize your day. Streamlined note-taking, Notion. Next up, let's talk about the Swiss Army knife of productivity tools, Notion. After years of juggling between different apps for notes, documents, and project management, Notion came as a breath of fresh air. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's a complete workspace that adapts to your needs. Here's why it's a game changer. Flexible structure, create pages within pages, databases, Kanban boards, and more, all in one place. Rich media support. Embed videos, images, code snippets, and even live websites directly into your notes. Templates. Start with pre-built templates for everything from meeting notes to project roadmaps. Collaboration. Share pages and workspaces with team members, making it easy to collaborate in real time. What sets Notion apart is its ability to replace multiple tools. It can be your wiki, your project management tool, your note-taking app, and so much more. This consolidation not only saves you money, but also reduces the mental overhead of switching between different apps. Effortless team collaboration. Slack. For those of you working in teams, effective communication is crucial. After trying numerous collaboration tools, Slack emerged as the clear winner. Slack isn't just another messaging app, it's a complete collaboration hub that can dramatically improve team productivity. Here's why. Channels. Organize conversations by topic, project, or team, keeping discussions focused and searchable. Integrations connect with over 2,000 apps including Todoist, RescueTime, and Notion, creating a seamless workflow. Huddles. Quick audio calls for impromptu discussions, reducing the need for formal meetings. Threads. Keep conversations organized and reduce noise by replying in threads. The beauty of Slack lies in its ability to reduce email clutter and centralize team communication. By bringing all your tools and conversations into one place, Slack becomes the digital headquarters for your team. Focus-enhancing soundscapes. Brain. FM. Last but not least, let's talk about a tool that addresses one of the biggest productivity killers: distractions. Enter Brain.fm, a science-based music service designed to improve focus, relaxation, and sleep. Unlike regular music or white noise, Brain FM uses AI-generated music specifically designed to enhance brain function. Here's what makes it special. Patented technology. Uses specific sound frequencies and patterns to induce desired mental states. Variety of modes. Choose from focus, relaxation, meditation, and sleep modes, depending on your needs. Session lengths. Set custom session lengths to match your work intervals. Offline mode. Download sessions for when you're working without internet access. What I love about Brain FM is how it creates an instant focus bubble around you. Whether you're in a noisy coffee shop or a busy office, it helps you tune out distractions and get into a flow state faster. Now you might be thinking, great tools, but how do I make them work together? And that's the key, integration. The real power comes when you use these tools as a unified system. Todoist keeps track of your tasks, RescueTime monitors where your time goes, Notion stores your notes and project details, Slack keeps your team in sync, and Brain FM helps you focus on the work at hand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Remember, productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. And with the right tools and strategies, you can achieve more than you ever thought possible. Until next time, stay focused, stay productive, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve. See you in the next video.